Yo, what's up everybody? It's Hassan Minhaj, and today we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. Specifically, we're talking about a company called DeepSeek. Now, you might not have heard of them yet, but trust me, they're kind of a big deal. They're like the scrappy underdog of the AI world, going toe-to-toe with the giants like Google and Microsoft. DeepSeek has been quietly making waves for a while now, dropping groundbreaking AI models like it's nothing. They're all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and they're not afraid to challenge the status quo. And their latest creation, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Remember when everyone thought AI was just about making computers play chess really well? DeepSeek is out here changing the game entirely. They're not just building AI that can beat us at board games. They're building AI that can help us solve some of the world's biggest problems. Imagine AI that can predict natural disasters, or help doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. That's the kind of impact DeepSeek is aiming for. They're not just in it for the tech, they're in it to make a real difference in the world. And that's why you should keep an eye on them. So stay tuned because DeepSeek is just getting started and the future looks incredibly exciting. So, what is this revolutionary AI I'm hyping up? It's called JANUS Pro, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Remember the Roman god Janus? He had two faces, right? One looking to the past, one to the future. That's JANUS Pro in a nutshell. This AI is all about understanding the world in a more holistic way. It's not just processing information, it's connecting the dots, seeing the bigger picture. Imagine an AI that can analyze complex data from the past and use it to make incredibly accurate predictions about the future. That's JANUS Pro, baby. Think about it. We're talking about an AI that can potentially predict natural disasters, optimize global supply chains, even personalize healthcare treatments with crazy accuracy. This isn't just some sci-fi fantasy. This is the future knocking on our door. Now I know what you're thinking. Hassan, we've heard this all before. Remember AlphaGo? Remember GPT-3? These were groundbreaking innovations that promised to revolutionize our world. They were supposed to change the world. And you're right, those were big leaps forward in AI. They showed us glimpses of what was possible. AlphaGo showed us that AI could master complex games, beating the best human players in the world. And GPT-3 blew our minds with its ability to generate human-like text, making conversations feel almost natural. But JANUS Pro, it's on a whole other level. It's not just another step forward, it's a giant leap. It's not just about mastering one specific task or mimicking human abilities. It's about a deeper understanding. It's about understanding the underlying systems, the complex relationships that govern our world. It's about seeing the bigger picture. It's about taking all the data we have, all the knowledge we've accumulated, and using it to create a better future. Imagine the possibilities. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift, a new dawn in the world of AI. We're talking about an AI that can reason, that can think critically and make decisions, that can learn and adapt in ways we never thought possible. It's like having a partner that grows with you. We're talking about an AI that can help us solve problems that have plagued humanity for centuries. From climate change to healthcare, the potential is limitless. So, what makes JANUS Pro so special? What's the secret sauce? Well, it's a combination of things. First, there's the sheer processing power. This thing can crunch data like it's nobody's business. But it's not just about brute force. DeepSeek has developed some seriously innovative algorithms that allow JANUS Pro to learn and adapt at an unprecedented rate. And here's the real kicker. JANUS Pro is designed to be transparent. DeepSeek understands the concerns around AI, the whole black box problem where we don't understand how the AI is making its decisions. So, they built JANUS Pro with explainability in mind. They want us to understand how it works, how it's arriving at its conclusions. This is huge, because it builds trust. It allows us to use JANUS Pro's insights without feeling like we're relinquishing control. It's about collaboration, about humans and AI working together to build a better future. Section 5. JANUS Pro in the real world. From healthcare to your home. Okay, enough tech talk. Let's get real. Let's dive into how this technology is going to change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. How is JANUS Pro actually going to impact our lives? What tangible changes can we expect to see in our day-to-day routines? Well, the possibilities are pretty much endless. From healthcare to finance and even environmental conservation, JANUS Pro is set to revolutionize multiple sectors. In healthcare, imagine JANUS Pro analyzing your medical history, your genetics, your lifestyle, and even your daily habits, and coming up with a personalized treatment plan that's tailored specifically to you. This means more accurate diagnoses, more effective treatments, and ultimately better health outcomes. Or in finance, picture JANUS Pro predicting market trends with uncanny accuracy, analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, helping investors make smarter decisions and avoiding financial meltdowns. This could lead to more stable economies and better financial security for everyone. And let's not forget about climate change. JANUS Pro could be a game changer here as well. JANUS Pro could analyze climate models, track deforestation, monitor pollution levels, and optimize resource allocation to help us combat this global crisis. This means more effective conservation efforts and a healthier planet. But it's not just about these big complex problems. JANUS Pro can also make our everyday lives easier and more efficient. Imagine a smart home that anticipates your needs, adjusting the temperature, lighting, and even your grocery list automatically. Imagine a smart home that anticipates your needs, making your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. A self-driving car that navigates traffic with ease, reducing your commute time and stress levels, or a virtual assistant that actually understands you, helping you manage your schedule, answer your questions, and even entertain you. The future is looking pretty dope, right? With JANUS Pro, the possibilities are truly limitless, and the best part is, this future is closer than we think. Section 6. The JANUS Dilemma: Navigating the Potential Pitfalls. Now, before we get too carried away with all the amazing things JANUS Pro can do, we need to talk about the potential downsides. Because let's be real, any technology this powerful comes with risks. We've seen what happens when AI is used for malicious purposes, from deepfakes to autonomous weapons. And then there's the whole issue of job displacement. If AI can do everything better and faster than humans, what happens to us? These are serious questions, and we need to address them head-on. We need to make sure that JANUS Pro is developed and deployed ethically and responsibly. DeepSeek claims they're committed to using JANUS Pro for good, but we need to hold them accountable. We need regulations, we need oversight, and we need to have a serious conversation about the future we want to create with this technology. Section 7. DeepSeek's Vision: A Future Powered by JANUS Pro. So what's DeepSeek's grand vision for JANUS Pro? Well, they talk about a future where AI empowers humanity, where it helps us solve our biggest challenges and create a more equitable and sustainable world. They envision a future where AI is not something to be feared, but a tool to be embraced, a partner in progress. They're talking about using JANUS Pro to accelerate scientific discovery, to personalize education, to bridge the gap between cultures. It's a bold vision, and it's easy to be skeptical. But there's a part of me that wants to believe them. Because if we can harness the power of JANUS Pro responsibly, if we can use it to uplift humanity instead of dividing us, then maybe, just maybe, we can create a future that's even better than we ever imagined. Section 8. The Race to the Top: How JANUS Pro Changes the Game. The launch of JANUS Pro has sent shockwaves through the tech industry. Big tech companies are scrambling to catch up, pouring billions into their own AI research. The race is on to build the next JANUS Pro, the next AI that will push the boundaries even further. But here's the thing: DeepSeek has a head start. They've shown the world what's possible, and they're not slowing down. They're constantly iterating, constantly improving JANUS Pro, making it smarter, faster, more efficient. This is a pivotal moment in the history of AI. We're witnessing a paradigm shift, a fundamental change in the way we interact with technology. And DeepSeek, the scrappy underdog, is leading the charge. Section 9. JANUS Pro. A glimpse into the future of AI. So there you have it, folks. JANUS Pro DeepSeek's groundbreaking AI is changing the game. It's a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize countless industries and reshape our world. But it's also a double-edged sword, and we need to be careful how we wield it. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing's for sure. JANUS Pro has given us a glimpse of what's possible. It's up to us to decide how we use this technology to ensure that it benefits all of humanity. The future is in our hands, and it's time to step up and shape it. Peace out.